Clothes is called efe. But some people say uwe. Clothes is efe. Uwe, efe or uwe. Clothes is efe. Or uwe. Clothes is efe. Or uwe. Some people call uwe. Some people call efe. Some people call aqua. Three of them, they are all the same. Efe, uwe, aqua. That is clothes. All is clothes. Efe, uwe, aqua. They are all clothes. So guys, we are going to stop this video here. If you like and enjoy this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Hit on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to see it or you'll be notified. See you guys in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.